Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. There's an elephant in the room and I want to talk about it.
A specific amino acid that if
you want to change your life, you should be conscious of these 3 decisions.
We're diving into the let them theory like you've never heard it before.
It's a deep part of my practice.
What we do is we look at what really works.
This is a peptide that absolutely torches belly fat.
The self-help industry is worth over $38 billion and estimated to be worth over $80 billion by 2032. And I have no doubt that it's done some constructive things for the consumers that it attracts. But for a lot of people, self-help isn't helping. In fact, I think it's doing the opposite. And the reason it's not is because of something psychologists call the deficiency loop. Deficiency loops trap people in the story that they are broken and need fixing. The promise of self-help is really attractive to people who are stuck in a deficiency loop. It says if you can just have the right lifestyle or morning routine or supplement or regimen, you can finally fix the thing that's always been wrong with you. Here's how it works. You start with the baseline belief that something about you isn't enough and needs fixing. You don't get there on your own. You intuit this from your early caretakers and environment. When you recognize that you need to behave in a certain way in order to gain love or approval, you don't feel whole on your own. You'll feel like something inside of you is missing. Then comes the attention bias. You will constantly be scanning for evidence that you are deficient until you confirm that the bad news is true. So when you fail a test or a sport or a parent's expectations, you will reinforce the neural pathway that says, something in me needs to be fixed, which leads to self-improvement attempts. You will be drawn to self-help books and podcasts and gurus and always be on top of the latest trends in wellness, health, or psychology. And you'll probably find short-term relief. You'll think, this is the thing that's finally gonna fix me. But the thing about loops is they're unending, so the next thing never cuts it. You'll always be on the lookout for the next thing that will heal you. With each new habit, routine, and regimen, you will still be operating from a core belief that you need to better yourself. So you'll never actually feel changed, which will inevitably reinforce the belief that you were broken. And the process begins again over and over. It never stops. Because until you change your core belief that there's something inherently missing or broken or wrong inside of you, you will always feel like you need to find the thing that's finally going to fix you. Until then, self-help is just reaffirming your belief that you need help. So I submit you this. What if there's nothing wrong with you? What if there never was? What if you just accidentally got the wrong message when you were at a vulnerable age and highly impressionable? What if there's nothing that needs to be added to you? Not a routine, or a habit, or a supplement, or a peptide, or a skill, or a practice, or a mindset? What if you took all of that away? What if this whole thing is addition by subtraction? What if when you peel away all of the layers, the adaptations and defense mechanisms that you once wisely put into place in order to survive, and all of the shit that other people directly or indirectly placed on you, what if when you strip all of it away, you find that there was never actually anything broken to begin with, that nothing needs fixed, that you're already whole, that you arrived here that way and there's nothing you can do to change that? And any suggestion of the contrary is just a lie you bought into before you were old enough to know any better. Anyway, here's an ad for Squarespace.
Nothing makes me and Chester happier than building a website with Squarespace. We've been Squarespace customers long before this YouTube channel was even a thing, and before Chesterfield was even born. Now I can build even faster using the new Design Intelligence feature on Squarespace. This gives me a huge head start in adding content and sections to my site in a beautiful way. Trying out different color themes and fonts instantly gives me a preview showing how my site will look. Or I can get started with a wide variety of professionally designed website templates, and then make it my own. And when I'm ready to book clients, I can easily create professional proposals, estimates, and contracts to make it all official. I can then invoice my clients and accept payments from ACH Direct Debit, Klarna, Apple Pay, and more. Head to squarespace.com/mangostreet for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, use the code MangoStreet at checkout to save 10% on your first purchase of a website or domain. When you use our code, you do help support our channel, so thank you.